Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. In the last class we have studied various elements like body elements, heading elements and its attributes. So today we are going to study about empty element. Empty element are those tags which only have the opening tag. Okay, so let's see the first empty element. It is HR. HR means a horizontal line. This HR tag is used to insert the horizontal line. So you can see here the different types of horizontal line. Okay, so how we can change the view of horizontal line? By the attributes, by using the attributes. So you can see here the various attributes of HR element: align, no shade, size, width and color. And what does the value of these attributes will be? You can see here align value will be only left, center and right. No shade, you don't have to write any value for that. Okay, only you have to write no shade. Size you can write in pixels, like 30 pixels, 60 pixels, like that. Okay, width also it will be in pixels, and color, any color you can insert. Okay, so the next element we have in empty category is break element. Break element means it will give you a line break. Okay, means it will insert a blank line. Carriage return means a blank line, so that your cursor will be moved to the next line. Okay, and it is very useful for writing a poem or an address, or how you want to design your website. Okay, so the basic difference, there is one more tag, that is P tag. Okay, the P tag means paragraph element. A paragraph and a line break, these two type of element or two type of tags are different. Okay, means how they are different? P element will only breaks the paragraph. Okay, and it will also insert the blank line, because a paragraph means 2 or 3 lines, right? So paragraph P element is doing the two jobs, that is breaking the paragraph and also inserting a blank line. But the BR tag will only do the blank line, only insert the blank line. Okay, so you can see here the code. Here in this code I have used P tag also and HR tag also. Okay, and I have used here BR, means empty tags along with the container element. I have used here all the tags. You can see here body attributes text, left margin and top margin. Left margin and top margin means, like in a web page, how much space you want to give, like left side how much this space is there, and top side how much you can give the space. These are also the attributes of the body element. Okay, so along with the text, BG color, background, left margin and top margin all are also the attributes of body element. And next, P align equals to center. This line will be in the center, but I have used here BR, means this line and this second line will be in two different lines. Okay, and HR, I have inserted here HR, whose color is green, and align is center, size is 12, width is 80%. Okay, so P next I have also inserted a paragraph. So you can see here how the output will be. Okay, see here, so the output of this program will be like this. Okay, this one. So I have used a background color. Okay, I have not used a background color, but you have to insert a BG color also, so that it will look nice. Okay, so these one you have to perform in Notepad or the app SoloLearn. Okay, so the next part we have is comments in HTML. So comments in HTML means, in a program, in a HTML code, if the user want to describe any part, any section, that means they can use the comment tag. Okay, but that description will not be displayed in the browsers. Okay, will not be displayed in your web page. So the function of comment tag is to explain your code. Okay, so the syntax, two ways of writing comment in HTML. First one is this one and second one is this symbol. Okay, inside this you can write your comment of one line or more than one line. Okay, so your assignment for this class will be to run that HTML code, this one, okay, this code, and show me the output. Okay, so you can use the BG color as yellow. And second, please copy the contents of slides in your journal and please submit it on next Friday. Thank you, class.